Hey netizens, welcome to the GMS3 Labs. This is the fifth video from the RPG Builder tutorial series. Please check out other videos in this tutorial series. The details of those videos are available in the description. If you are interested, let us continue with this journey. In this fifth part, we'll create the first dialog graph. We will then develop corresponding responses to the dialog. Then we will create a quest to go along with the dialog system. To begin with, open the RPG Builder editor. Then navigate to AI NPCs. Open the first quest giver NPC that we created in the previous video. Now, open the functions section. Then activate the dialog option under the actions setting. Change the default text to something that you prefer. I will add Hello NPC. This will activate the dialog interaction with NPC. Save the settings. Next, we will create a simple dialog tree for this NPC and our player character. Navigate to the world section. Then open the dialogues subsection. Click on the new button. Give it a name. I'm calling it First Quest Giver Dialog. Give the display name First Quest Giver Dialog. Now, open the graph setting. Click on the Create Graph and Assign button. A new dialog graph is created. Then, open Settings and click on the Exit Node checkbox. You can add any message that you want. I will leave it as default. Save the settings. Next, open the dialog graph. Click on the Edit Graph button. The RPG Builder dialog window pops up. Dock it if you like. Now, click on the right mouse button and add the first dialog text node. Make sure you always start with an NPC text node. Otherwise, it will throw a console error and the dialog will not work. Now, type a dialog for your NPC. I will type in something like, Hello stranger. Next, click on the gear icon. The advanced settings window opens up. Leave out the requirements and game action settings for now. Then click on the Show Settings button. We will not change any defaults. Here, click on the Image section. Select the icon which we used for the Quest Giver NPC. Next, drag out from the Exit node and create another dialog node. Here, change the identity option to player. Now, type in your player dialog. I will put something like, "Who are you?" Open the Advanced Settings window again. Click on the Show Settings button. Then, under the Interaction settings, uncheck View Endlessly and click Endlessly. Change the corresponding values to 1. Add an image icon for the player. Then close the window. Next, drag and create another dialog node for NPC. Add a text like, "I'm the chief healer of this valley." Make the same advanced setting changes as before. Save the project now. Next, open the RPG Builder editor. Navigate to AI, NPCs. Then select the first quest giver NPC again. Then open the dialog section. Select the first quest giver dialog which we created earlier. Save the settings. We will now test the dialog flow. Click on the play button. Once the game is open, click on the new button. Select the female character. Give her a name. Then click on create. Now navigate the player to the quest giver NPC. Notice that there is an interaction menu with the letter E displayed. Click on the E button. The dialog window opens with the first dialog. Click on the first dialog. It will take us through the dialog flow. Next, we will look at different dialog settings and quests. Open the RPG Builder editor again. Navigate to the World section. Then open the Quest subsection. We will create a simple quest for learning purposes. Click on the New button. Now, open the Base Info setting. Add a name for your quest. I will call it Collect the Health Potion. Add the same as the display name. Next, open the UI presentation setting. Add a description that you like for your quest. I call it Collect the Health Potion, which will give you knowledge about the quest system. Now, add any objective. I will call it Find and Collect the Health Potion. Then, under the progress option, add collect. Please note that you can add any sentence that you prefer in these options. Under settings, uncheck the turn in without NPC option. This will make sure that the quest can be marked as complete only by visiting the NPC. We will not add any item given setting. This setting is used to automatically add an item to the player's inventory when the quest is accepted by the player. We will not add any requirements either. I want the player to start this quest without meeting any requirements. But for more complex quests, you can add requirements like the player should be at a specific level to take up the quest, etc. Next, open the objective settings. This is the most important setting of a quest. Here, we need to add a task. Before moving to create a task, save the settings. Otherwise, we will lose all our data. Then, navigate to the task subsection under the world section. Click on the new button. Add a name for the task under base info. I'm calling it collect health potion. Then give it a display name. Now add the description collect. Next, open the task setting. Under the type option, select the get item task from the drop-down. We have multiple options available for the task. We will stick with a simple one for now. Next, select the health potion item from the available items. Set the count value to 3. Finally, uncheck the keep item settings. Save the settings. Next, we will create a game actions template to execute our task. Navigate to the template section, then open the game action section. Click on the new button. Give it a name. First quest invoke. Now click on add game action button. We will not add any override here. Next, select the type quest from the drop down. Select propose for the action. Then select the quest that we created earlier. The chance should remain at 100%. Save the settings. Next, open the requirements subsection. Click on the new button. Name it first quest giver requirement. Click on the Add Requirement Group button. Then click on the plus icon. Select the type as a quest. Set the state as ongoing. Save the settings. These settings means that this requirement can be used whenever our quest is ongoing. Finally, open the dialog graph that we created earlier. Create another player node. Add a message. Can I help you with something? Open the advanced settings. Add the image icon. Then connect the first node and the previous NPC node to the new player node. Drag out and create another NPC node. Add a message like, can you collect the health potion for me? Open the advanced setting window again. Add the NPC image icon. Next, add one more player node. Type in the message, I will collect the health potions. Open the advanced setting window again. Now, in the game action setting, add the game action that we created earlier. Then, add the image icon for the player. Finally, create another dialog node. Make it into a player node. Connect it to the first NPC node. Add a message like, I'm still searching for it. Open the advanced settings window. Here, add the quest requirement that we created earlier to the proper option. Add the image icon under the show settings and close the window. Now, add one more NPC node. Add a message. Thank you. Please come back once you have these potions. Add the image icon in the advanced settings window. Next, navigate to the world Quest. Select our quest. Then open the objective settings. Click on the Add Objective button. Now add the task that we created before for this quest. Next, open the Automatic Rewards section. Click on the Add Rewards button. Select the currency option. Then add the default Blink currency. Set the count as 100. Finally, save the settings. Lastly, we will playtest the whole system. Click on the Play button. Wait till the game starts. Then click on the New button. Choose the female character. Give her a name. Now click on Create. Move the player character to the NPC. Click on the Interaction button. Move through the dialog flow. Notice that we can accept the quest now. Open the dialog window again. Notice that the one-time view dialogs are gone and the other dialog with the requirement is available now. Next, open the developer panel. Click on the Get Items button. Add 3 health potions to the inventory. Then open the quest journal. Click on the Track button. Notice that the quest is tracked properly. Now interact with the NPC again. Here, navigate through the dialog flow. Complete the quest. If we open the inventory window again, we can see that the health potions are given to the NPC and we receive the 100 Blink coins as a reward. By this, we have completed the initial dialogue and quest system. Use this to create your own dialog flows. We will revisit these components of the RPG Builder once we continue with our game development journey. So, to conclude, we created a dialog flow for the NPC and player. We looked at different dialog settings and requirements to trigger a dialogue. Then we configured the quest component. And finally, we added the task and game action for our quest. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon on our channel and support our initiative. More such content will be made available in the future. Thanks again.